So moving on to waxes and triglycerides. Natural waxes are found on the surface of fruits, and on the leaves and stems of plants, where they can help prevent the loss of water and damage from pests, so it's a good thing. Waxes on the skin, fur, and leathers of animals, they can help provide waterproof coating. Think of ducks and water rolling off their back. So we are going to learn how to draw the condensed structural formula for a wax or a triacylglycerol, which is produced by the reaction of a fatty acid and an alcohol or a glycerol. So when speaking about waxes, they are esters of saturated fatty acids and long-chain alcohols, each which contain 14 to 30 carbon atoms. And they're the coatings that prevent the loss of water by the leaves and the plants. Okay, so pretty helpful. So typical waxes are located here. We talk about beeswax, carboana wax, and jojoba wax, right? So you can see that they differ in the length of the carbons, right, on both sides, and where they come from and what they're used for. So triacylglycerols in the body, fatty acids are stored as triglycerides, and these are esters of glycerol and fatty acids. So an ester is just like a combination of. So it has a glycerol backbone with fatty acid branches. And it's formed when 3 hydroxyl groups of glycerol react with the carboxyl group of 3 fatty acids. And it's named by changing the glycerol to glyceryl and naming the fatty acids as carboxylates. Okay, so we get to learn how to draw these guys now. So the name of a fatty acid that's formed with 3 stearic acids combined or becomes a glyceryl tristearate. Okay, and the common name of this compound is tristearate. Okay, so you have your glycerol backbone and you have your 3 stearic acid molecules, and then when it is held together with this ester bond, then it becomes your tristearate. You have mixed triglycerols. Triacylglycerols. And the triacylglycerol may contain different fatty acids, such as the triacylglycerol made from stearic, oleic, or palmitic acids. And so this is what stearic acid looks like, this is what oleic acid looks like, and this is what palmitic acid looks like. So with all 3 of these together, it is called a mixed triacylglycerol. Well, why do we care about triglycerides? Okay, well, this is how we store our energy. So triglycerides are the major form of energy stores for animals. Think of your love handles around your belly, right? So animals that hibernate, they, like bears, they eat large quantities of plants, seeds, and nuts that are high in calories. And as the external body temperature drops, not body temperature, the external temperature of the environment drops, the animal goes into hibernation, and the body temperature is also going to drop to nearly freezing. And that, when we slow things down, is going to reduce cellular activity, respiration, as well as heart rate. So during hibernation, the animal's stored fat is in the form of triglycerides, and this is its only source of energy. So it needs to really rely on it. So here's a study check for you. What are the fatty acids in the following triglyceride? Okay, because remember that's synonymous with this guy. So pause me and come back. All right, did you come up with this guy? So the stearic acid, the oleic acid, and the stearic acid. All right, great job. So now, how do we move on to drawing these guys? Well, we're going to draw the condensed formula of a glycerol, okay? And so this glycerol tripalmolylate, okay, is the triglycerol that contains ester bonds between the glycerol and the 3 palmitic acids molecules. And so we're going to name the lipid, figure out what type it is, the type of alcohol, the acids, if it has how many, 1, 2, 3, and then what type of bonds. So how do we draw this guy? We are going to draw the condensed structural formula for glycerol, tripalmolylate, right? And so you're just going to draw each one of these guys out. It's having 3 of the same guy, and so that's how you have your glycerol backbone, and then tripalmate, right? So good job. All right, so you try. So let's draw the condensed structural formula of the triglyceride that contains 3 molecules of stearic acid. Okay, pause me and come back. Is this what you got? I hope so. Have a great day.